Hey y'all! So the other night I made some orange chicken and I want to share the recipe because it was pretty easy and it was delicious. So here I have my chicken pieces and I'm going to add some salt, pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of chicken broth, soy sauce, and a couple of egg whites. And I'm going to go ahead and mix this really well. And then I'm going to set it aside to let it marinate for about 20 or 30 minutes. Now for the sauce, I took some freshly squeezed orange juice, soy sauce, a little bit of chicken broth, some brown sugar, and then I'm going to whisk in some cornstarch. And I'm going to keep whisking until everything is nice and dissolved. And then we're going to go ahead and set that aside. Now here in my bowl, to coat my chicken pieces, I have some rice flour. I like using rice flour because it gives you a nice, thin, crispy coating. It's really, really good. So if you haven't tried rice flour before, try it when you're frying chicken. Now I'm going to go ahead and coat my pieces of chicken, and I'm going to shake off any extra flour that I can. That's going to help save my oil from having all that extra flour in it. And I'm going to fry these pieces up until they're golden brown and crispy, which only takes a few minutes. Now as the last batch of chicken fries, I'm going to go ahead and make my sauce. I have some oil and minced garlic warming up in a skillet. I let that warm up for about 15 seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my sauce. I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons of honey, some zest from the oranges that I used for the juice, and some red pepper flakes. Now you don't have to add the red pepper flakes. I like a little heat to my orange chicken, so that's totally up to you. Now I'm going to let that cook down for a couple of minutes, and then it's going to start to thicken up. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of white vinegar, and I'm going to let that continue to cook down and get nice and thick for about another minute or so. Add in my chicken pieces, fully get everything coated because this chicken is ashy. I like a little bit of green onion and sesame seeds, a scallion pancake on the side. This was a delicious orange chicken recipe. I'll make sure to leave everything in the description box. You guys gotta try it. Yum.